Hello, welcome back to Nature Fact. Today we are coming back to the farm of the cucumber. But today we are going to do a little bit very detail of the some different parts and the function of the, the cucumber plants. And actually, as you already see here, these are the leaf of the plant, and you might see very little wine down here come out from the plant here. This little wine here, the function of it is, what do we say, it could be the hand, because this wine will try to wrap around something that they could reach probably like over here. See, they wrap to other plants. They also wrap to the at the maybe the grass or other thing that they could reach to stabilize the body when the wind or when the other thing come to disturb. They will just stay still. It's very important with the little one here. But more importantly, when you see the function of the leaf, they will absorb the they will absorb the special sunlight to let the plant grow better. You also can tell if the tree or if the plant is in good or bad condition by the leaf. If you see big leaf, big green leaf like as we are seeing right now, that means they're very healthy, full of nutrient, full of food that they can absorb. But sometimes you might see some little holes on the leaf, like over here. That means this leaf, this hole are eaten by the insect or by other tiny birds. When we are talking about the insect, we got some different species of ladybugs are the very harmful insect for this plant. Like they come, they try to breed, they try to lay down the egg, and they try to eat. Like over here, this is, oh, they already flied out. Right here is the ladybugs that I was talking about. They will come to eat, to make that little holes that you already saw on the leaf. They will come and destroy. They lay down the eggs, and then the egg will hatch into the caterpillar. Of course, when they turn to caterpillar, they will eat again. They will eat again like this. See over here. Just maybe they eat last night. They finish a lot of holes, and then here you might want to see more. You see little silk outside. That means this is the way the protection. Here they turn into the caterpillar. Then this is the time that they will eat a lot and a lot and a lot of this. Well, this is not that great to have this in the farm, but of course that is the nature. They will want some place to find the food to eat, but of course the farmer don't want them. They might use some special of their own technique to clear them out, but there are a lot of them. Yeah, when they were young, they never make the silk they could not make the silk around the body. They could not fool the leaf to protect the body. What they did when they were very little, very small, when they were just hatched, they hide themselves under the leaf, maybe just under the leaf, like over here, somewhere around here. That means they protect from the bird, they protect from the insect, they protect from the sun. But as they getting bigger, they will just dip themselves in the ground. They will just dip themselves. They find the little holes of the plant, like over here. They just dip themselves in the ground, and then they will come out to eat in the evening. But when they got the age that they could make the silk, they will just get up on the leaf again, make the silk, and then they try it around the body, and then later on they become cocoon, and then they hatch, become the ladybugs again. Alright, thank you very much. That's it for today. Hopefully everyone enjoyed. Please subscribe and like the video if this is one of your favorite. Thank you very much. That's it. Bye.